Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix upload failed in Canva 2026. So why the upload failed happens in Canva, usually caused by the weak or unstable internet or signals, file too large or unsupported format, app and browser cache bug, even the VPN or firewall blocking the uploads. Okay, so to fix the issue you will need at first to refresh the Canva editor and retry. Okay, so you will need just to press Ctrl R on your keyboard to refresh, or just click here on that curved flash to reload the page or refresh the page. Okay, so that's the first step. And here you will need to re-upload or upload again and try. If that doesn't help, you'll need to go and click to or on these three dots on the top right corner of the browser, and then just go and click on the settings, the second last option on that menu. And after that, just go and click on privacy and security on the left hand menu. It's the third option. And right now just go with privacy and security section and click on the first option, delete browsing data, just like so. So here all you can see is a pop-up menu. So now I do really want you to go with the last 24 hours here, and then just go and click on delete data. So once you have done that, just go ahead and refresh the browser, and I do really advise you just to go and click on the task bar with right click and click on the task manager, the first option, and then just select the Google Chrome, click it with the right click on your mouse, and then just go ahead and task. Also, you will need to disable the extensions. Okay, so just go and remove them, like the ad blockers, the VPN extensions, the download manager. So just disable them or remove them. So actually I do advise you just to disable them from here, and then just go and refresh the Canva and retry uploading now. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.